Weighing machine, VG Easy Step by Step, suitable to dose and pack many different products, such as chocolates, sweets, dried fruits, legumes, and much more. Also for non-food products. Fast, precise, reliable. Just before the discharge phase, the funnel is lowered into the middle of the tray to facilitate the fall of the product without ruining it or preventing the exit. Equipped with a touchscreen to set the various parameters according to the weight and the product. Also, the various weighing could be later reviewed and saved on a USB key. Designed and produced in Italy by C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. A versatile machine thanks to its structure and functions. This is the ideal solution to dose and pack many products. It can be used in automatic mode with continuous dischargement, but also in semi-automatic mode with dischargement through pedal. Thanks to the practical display touchscreen, you can set different parameters. The weight can be saved on USB key. With this machine, you can dose and pack many products at a very competitive price. For more information, contact us at the email address sales@ciasrl.it. www.ciasrl.it. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.